Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah and this is my little morning pamper routine. I started off by making my iced coffee, which I can't live without. I just used cashew milk and vanilla syrup in this. It was really good. And then I made my favorite breakfast. This is my typical brie with jam and toast. Super good. It's very basic, but it just never misses. So if you haven't tried this, 100% recommend it. Moving on to my body care routine, I wanted to smell like citrus and champagne this day, so these are the products that I ended up using. So I'm starting off by using the Kiehl's Gently Exfoliating Body Scrub, and this is their grapefruit scent. It has aloe vera, chamomile, and walnut shells in there. So this is not a sugar scrub. It is lightly scented and it exfoliates without making my skin feel irritated. The texture is really nice. It feels so fluffy and luxurious. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit softer than the Tree Hut scrubs, I recommend trying this one out. Once I'm done exfoliating and rinsing all of that off, I'm using this shave oil from Tree Hut. This is their watermelon scent. I absolutely love these shave oils. My legs feel so soft after using this. And this one smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher or just like any watermelon candy. I love it. I've been doing my routine in a different order lately, so now I'm moving on to body wash. This is the Way Body Cleanser in Melrose Place. It's a really pretty sparkling champagne scent. It has champagne, berry, lychee, bergamot, white musk. It's very girly, and this scent is basically a cross between YSL Mon Paris and Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast. This is actually one of my favorites to use after the gym. Even though it is a body wash, I feel like my skin is really getting cleansed. And I love this scent. I have the candle, the body wash, the body cream, the perfume. It's like my favorite one from Way. I'm using the Way body cream in the matching Melrose Place scent. It's the same scent as the body wash. This body cream has a whipped texture that I really like, and it's fast absorbing. I can't stand having to rub in my body cream forever. And of course, I'm all about the glow, so this body cream gives my skin a really nice glowy look. It's always a plus when I don't have to apply oil after. It has squalane, coconut oil, and cocoa butter, so it's very hydrating. So I needed a little bit of maintenance, so I'm using this Nair face cream and I am getting rid of my peach fuzz, and then I'm also shaping up my eyebrows. I haven't done my eyebrows in about a month, so I was long overdue for this. I let that sit for about 10 minutes and then I wiped it all off, and look, clean brows. Now I'm washing my face using my First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Cleanser on my Foreo Luna 3. I washed my face extra well to make sure that there's no chemical residue left over. Next, I'm moving on to my favorite step, which is my snail mucin from CosRx. It's so soothing and it makes my skin look super plump and hydrated. While that sets in, I'm gonna apply some lip balm. This one is from Lana Lips. For my eye cream today, I'm using the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. This is a really nice cooling gel texture and it's very lightweight. Next, I'm using some dark spot gel. This one is from Verse. Now I'm using my favorite moisturizer. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and it has a really nice thick texture. And the formula is pretty mild, so this would be great for sensitive skin or dry skin types. My skin is feeling a little bit extra dry, so I'm using the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 face oil just to lock in everything that I put on. If you're using a bunch of moisturizing products and you feel like your skin is still dry, try using an oil at the end of your routine. It helps to seal everything in and prevent moisture from escaping. For that extra soothing effect, I'm using a cold pink quartz roller to rub in my products. I know y'all have been seeing my nails in these past few clips. They are absolutely horrific, so I'm giving myself a quick at-home manicure. I'm using the Essie Quick Dry Nail Polish in the shade Hot Buns. I only like nude polish, really. This polish really is quick drying. I have a few different shades and it's my favorite nail polish ever because I touch stuff and ruin my nails instantly, and I don't get that with this. Now time for my favorite part of my routine, which is fragrance. Today I went with Commodities Mimosa. It literally smells like a glass of bubbles and like you're at brunch in your cutest sundress on a sunny day. There's blood orange, grapefruit, jasmine. It's very refreshing, it's bright, it's bubbly. If you're interested in trying this, you can get money off with my code. I'll leave a link down below as well. But that's all for this routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye!